All right, Jack Brewster reporting there, and clearly we're not the only ones that's feeling it.
No, and we showed a map earlier at the top of the show about these high heat index numbers that are to the west of us, and they're moving into our area.
They are. We've got the western part of our state already feeling like 105 to 110. Let's start with that map just in case you missed it. This is the high heat, high humidity that's going to be moving our way in the coming days. We want you to be thinking now, how can I protect myself, my family, my home, my pets? We're all going to need extra attention, extra time inside in the air conditioning, and extra shade and water breaks if we have to work or be outside. When? Now through Friday during peak heating times, and this may linger into next week. Weather impact alert days. Heat index values topping 100 with this very humid air makes high heat stress index, and it makes that heat stress likely. So seek the shade when you can, and if you can, alter those outdoor activities. And Felicia said it, we're not the only ones dealing with it. You can see the heat alerts extend from parts of the Great Lakes all the way down through the Gulf of Mexico. We will be dealing with that high heat and high humidity over the next several days. Radar is clear close to home, but keeping an eye on an axis of storms across parts of Illinois. This is not forecast to move our way. However, our storm chances do start to increase over the next several days. Threat of severe weather includes the northwestern sections of the state, and that's where we expect to find that axis of rain and storms during the day tomorrow. But a pop-up can't be ruled out on Thursday. 89 degrees right now. That dew point at 71 makes it feel like middle and upper 90s, nearing 100 for those feels like temperatures. Actual air temperature, we did make it to 90 this afternoon, 69 degrees this morning. Weather impact alert day tomorrow as we get into the afternoon and evening hours during peak heating. We encourage you to take those breaks. The feels like temperatures 105 to perhaps 110. We're going to be in that range for a good part of central Indiana on Friday as well. In terms of rain chances, the focus is north and west for the time being during the day tomorrow. That axis begins to shift a little farther south on Friday, so expect a few more storms around Friday afternoon and evening. And much like the last couple of weekends, we do have storm chances in the weekend forecast, but we're also not expecting any washouts. There will be these bigger complexes of storms from time to time that will produce heavy rain, interrupt those outdoor activities, but now's not the time to cancel anything. Just be thinking perhaps about a backup plan if I would get under one of those big storms similar to what we had last weekend. But the heat, that's going to be the real concern the next couple of days, and then storm chances for the upcoming weekend.
All right. Thanks so much, Angela.